Emva kokuvela kwezinsolo ezivezwe ngabakwaSANS ukuthi uLucky Montana, owayeyisikhulu esiphezulu enhlanganweni elawula lokusebenza kwezitimela iPrasa, uziphendulele namuhla ngokuthi yena akakweleta imali kumqoqi wentela, njengoba kuthiwa ukweleta imali engu-55 million wamarandi.
It's important that I address numerous lies, innuendos, manipulation of facts by SARS in its media briefing on Saturday. Let's deal with lie number 1. Mr. Montana owes SARS an amount totaling 55 million. The whole country knows that I owe 55 million. You know, for me to owe SARS 55 million, I should have earned over and above my Prasa salary. I should have earned an additional 145 million in undeclared income for the tax period 2009 and 2019.
UMontana uzichithele izinsolo zokuthi yena uzama ukukhulumisana nomqoqi wentela uSARS ukuba umbonelele ngokukhokha le mali.
So it's a lie that I went to SARS to ask for the thing. We are responding to the letter. Those of us who did struggle accounting, I hope that better people who understand the numbers, but I've detailed the numbers here.
UMontana uphinde wathi akanankinga nokulahlekelwa impahla yakhe, kodwa yena usamile ekutheni akayikweleti iSARS.
I don't owe anything, guys. I don't owe SARS a cent.
UMontana uthi ungaboni ngasolinye nokhomishana wakwaSARS uzokuthathela izinyathelo zomthetho ngoba ukholwa ukuthi lena yimpi ebhekiswe kuye.